Welcome to Curry TV. This is my backyard. I wanted to show you something vibrant, something different from what you guys been seeing. So one of the questions that we've been getting is how do we use coconut, and do we buy store-bought, do we buy the frozen, what is it? So let me show you how we use coconut. Coconut is a big what is it? It's a main thing in our dish in either form: oil, coconut shredded, coconut slices, coconut milk. So it all comes from this. To be honest with you, how many of you know, not to I'm not trying to make fun of you, but how many of you know what's inside of a coconut? So I did a survey, especially among my kids and their friends. They all believe that as soon as you open this, you get coconut milk. The fact is, you don't. You have to make the milk. So, as you crack open, there'll be a water. Coconut water is really good for you, very refreshing. You could make a lot of dishes with that. I can show you a few, but after we crack the coconut, we shred them. This is a traditional shredder, coconut shredder. I have the modern version as well. So let me show you how all this is done, okay? So for me, in my household, Pramod is the one who actually handles all this. He doesn't trust me with it because this machine is really, really fast and it spins really hard, and I can't stand the sound. It just makes, one side you can sharpen the knife, the other side you can shred the coconut. So I just can't tolerate the sound that this produces. This we bought online. So if you are interested, you can also search online to find this. It doesn't have a name or brand or anything. This is like, my God, if I were to tell you when I bought this, I believe we bought this like maybe 8 or 10 years ago. So honestly, I do not remember the price range, but I'm pretty sure they have modified this into a latest version where there's a guard for this and the sound is much, much more minimal that you can handle. So this is still running. I mean, like old as gold. This is still running. So I really like using this one. So what we usually do is we buy coconut in bulk, we slice few, we shred few, and then we keep it in our Ziploc bags and keep it in a, you can choose which Ziploc bag sizes, small, medium, large, and according to your desire, for each curry, you can pick one out and thaw it, keep it in your fridge, it will last longer. The ones that we buy at Indian grocery stores or Asian market tends to have a different flavor of coconut. I don't know what the substance they add to make it last longer, but we feel this is the best approach in getting the fresh coconut shredded in our household. So let me show you how all this is done. Let me also invite my husband, Pramod, to introduce all this for you guys. All right, so we want some coconut milk. Coconut milk or coconut water?
Coconut water, right?
Coconut water. So we have done a lot of experiments with this. There is dark brown color coconut. There's light whitish color coconut, and there's these guys. The white one tends to have more water content but less flesh in it. So for getting the shredded coconut, this is the perfect one to go for. The ones we get in India are the ones that are really, really dark brown color, but we don't get any of that. It's okay, we can adjust with these. So let's show them how to do this.
Okay.
By the way, this is an Indian knife. So one side is really, really sharp and the other side is what we use to crack open a coconut.
And then crack open. Okay.
This is a good coconut because the water is so clear, right? There's no murky type of thing in here. So this is really good coconut that we can shred or make it into slices. So you want to try? He likes to drink them. See, perfect size, one full glass. You can store this for up to a day or something. How is it?
It has that bubbly feeling.
The fizziness?
The fizziness, yeah.
When you're making appam, This is the best one to add along with some yeast. It gives that nice, soft, sweet appams. So if you haven't seen our appam video, try that. I didn't use coconut water in there, but everything else is ready. Just use, instead of water, just use coconut water.
And we also make kallu out of this.
Todi.
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 Yeah, todi out of this. It's called kallu in our language.
Let's show them how to shred a coconut. And he does have, we have a safety gear all ready to go. So like I mentioned, this is really, it spins really fast. So therefore he needs to have a gloves, and he also protects his ear along with his eyes. This part of it is actually to sharpen your knife. So there's multi-purpose for this. Done.
See?
It's pretty fast. Okay, so we were able to get all of the flesh out. Now we can do the rest just like so. This is how we shred coconut in our household. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.